Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video we are going to take a closer look at Beauty Big Bang stamping plates XL56, XL57, and XL58. So this video completes my series of 4 videos of these. Remember all these plates that I got all at once to review. So this is the last set that I had to review, the last 3. So these will take you a little further more into spring, because as you can see from this cutesy little sleeve right here, look at that bunny. Yeah, this one the theme on this one is 58 is Easter. Check them out. Look at those gorgeous images right there. I am happy that I got this plate because I really do not have much that going towards Easter other than some very old stamping plates. Oh, and if you're wondering about my nails, yeah, getting ready for the lunar eclipse on Monday. These I got done, these moon faces. Remember XL054 from Beauty Big Bang. So of course with the lunar eclipse coming up, I couldn't let it pass. And yeah, so just a simple mani there for the upcoming eclipse. So now back to this beautiful Easter plate. Of course, they all have the blue protective film on the front that you must peel off, and on the back the nice plastic backing for protection. Let's take a closer look. Now I will peel these off just before I get ready to do the swatches of some of the images. So here is XL057, and this one, it's for those mandala lovers out there. Look at them. And these images, I mean, see, look how they are pretty large. You know, my nails are pretty long. See, they're nice and wide. Look at how beautiful those are. And then XL056 for plat lovers. Talk about plat galore here. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to we'll go ahead and swatch a few of these images from each plate, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's a closer look of those images that I did swatches for. Check them out. This one is the Plat XL056. Beautiful images. And then the mandala is the XL057. There they are. Wow, aren't they gorgeous? And then the Easter one, XL058. And I am loving, so check out the delicate images here with the fine lines. Aren't they so pretty? I tried to pick up as many of the single images here with the large stamper. Check out the little bunnies and the eggs, so pretty. As always, I will have links to these down in the description bar below, as well as my 10% discount code, which is NAQ57. If you guys have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.